English Tagalog, using, had, in a sentence.
I had a huge fight.
Nagkaroon ako ng malaking laban.
She had a very sweet boy.
Nagkaroon siya ng isang napaka-sweet na lalaki.
I had to decline his offer.
Kinailangan kong tanggihan ang alok niya.
She had a nice breakfast.
Masarap ang almusal niya.
My grandmother had a stroke.
Na-stroke ang lola ko.
I had a quarrel with my brother.
Nagkaroon ako ng away sa kapatid ko.
I wish I had $1,000,000.
Sana magkaroon ako ng $1,000,000.
I had to crawl under the fence.
Kinailangan kong gumapang sa ilalim ng bakod.
She had her computer repaired.
Inayos niya ang kanyang computer.
I had to open my suitcase.
Kinailangan kong buksan ang malita ko.
Ryan had a birthday party yesterday.
May birthday party si Ryan kahapon.
We had to work together in math class.
Kailangan naming magtulungan sa math class.
He had to set the table before dinner.
Kailangan niyang ayusin ang mesa bago kumain.
You had a pencil under your desk.
Mayroon kang lapis sa ilalim ng iyong mesa.
I had fun playing with my cousin.
Masaya akong nakikipaglaro sa aking pinsan.
I had a cup of coffee at the coffee shop.
Uminom ako ng isang tasa ng kape sa kapihan.
The baby had cried before her father came.
Umiyak ang sanggol bago dumating ang kanyang ama.
We had a narrow escape from the explosion.
Nagkaroon kami ng isang makitid na pagtakas mula sa pagsabog.
You had not been studying English all day.
Hindi ka nag-aaral ng Ingles buong araw.
He began to run after he had seen the cat.
Nagsimula siyang tumakbo pagkatapos niyang makita ang pusa.
The jet plane had 500 passengers on board.
Ang jet plane ay may sakay na 500 pasahero.
If I had time, I would take you for a ride.
Kung may oras ako, Isasama kita.
He had to comply with the agency's wishes.
Kailangan niyang sumunod sa gusto ng ahensya.
Kevin had feared that he would fall down.
Natakot si Kevin na madapa siya.
They had not been married when I was born.
Hindi pa sila kasal noong ipinanganak ako.
He had put the smallest apples in the bag.
Inilagay niya ang pinakamaliit na mansanas sa bag.